Hello everyone, what's up guys, it's Azazon54 here, back with another video. And you probably can see that behind me, I set the, well, he's kind of tilted a little bit. So I'll fix that. I'll fix that later. But anyways, this came today, it came from Japan. And we'll have to set to see what it is. Now I'm guessing this could be something I got a while back. Probably might have been this earlier last year, or before the end of last year. I don't know what this is, as I said before, but yeah, we're just gonna okay that. Just that. Oh, okay. This is fun. Well, oh man. Alright. Every time I do unboxing videos, I always come prepared. Because usually I set my scissors and my razor up here, just in case. You never know. This time I might need the scissors. And so, bring yourself another thing. Get out of here. Okay. Alright. Now looks like I need my razor. Alright. Okay. Man, they tape these so well. Every time I get like packages from Japan, they always put like extra tape, which is nice. Usually I don't look at these. Oh, that's cool. I'm keeping that. I want you to see this. Oh yes, it is. Finally. Throw that over there. Alright, okay. Let's see what this is. Yes! Finally! Alright. Let's open this. Yes! I've been waiting for this for months. Just like the door. But this, I've wanted to get for a very long time. I had to wait for this for super long. Just like Ghidorah back there. I really need to set him up before he... Oh! Well, I might keep that thought. This rip. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. So we'll see what I end up doing with that. Oh, this is nice. So I got a Godzilla 2 King of Monsters glasses case. This was super rare to find, hard to find, and don't need that. I actually kind of do need to get glasses, because I have terrible eyesight. But that's what it looks like. There's the front, and it comes with this really cool glasses case rack, or glasses rack bag. But yeah, look at that, that's pretty cool. I've been waiting for this for months. Just like the door behind me. But finally, I have it. This was super rare to find, as I said before. Now I can't flip up again. Oh, that's cool. Might not need that. I'm just gonna stuff it inside here. Be safe. So that was this unboxing. That was a very short one, but just wanted to open this, see what it was, and if I ever get glasses, I'm using this. I am using this. And yeah. So I just want to make this very short unboxing video. That Ghidorah back there is triggering me. Because it looks like he's about to fall. But I need to fix that. But yeah. Anyways, that is all for this very, very short unboxing video. And I'm happy to have this. This was super hard to find. And yeah. So, as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.